Getting everything framed up today. Got a lot done. Let me get you back over here. You can see the frame. Got everything framed. Still got a lot of work to do. But the hard part's almost over with. It's getting everything square and in line for the deck boards to go down all evenly and without problems. Everything looks nice. We still got to go around this tree. And then we're going to also compensate for the years of growth that are going to come. So just keep watching. I'll keep adding videos as the progression continues on the deck, and hopefully you'll enjoy the end results. Keep following us on Facebook, watching the videos. We appreciate all the support, and call us if you need anything. Triple G Roofing and Construction. Thanks a lot.